This time of year can be hard for a lot of people when it comes to mental health. Oftentimes it's made worse through social media and now the pandemic on top of that. Channel 8's Macy Meyer has more on the trends doctors have seen over the years. Macy?
Well, you're exactly right, Megan. These past 2 years have been tough for a lot of families, from isolation to losing loved ones, the holidays. And what we see on social media can really have an impact on those hard times.
This is, exacerbated by the pandemic, but not new to the pandemic, that holidays are hard. When people think of holidays, they think of get-togethers with family, and maybe the first time without a parent or a sibling is very hard.
It's often referred to as the holiday blues. Mental health taking a big hit around Thanksgiving and Christmas, especially for those who may have lost a loved one in the past 2 years during the pandemic.
As a society, we've experienced more loss, just more changes in society, with individuals losing individuals to death, losing our jobs, just more adjustments, more changes that we've had to make. And this time of year, we're still, grieving some of those changes and grieving some of those losses.
Both doctors say on top of that, social media has played a big role in people's mental health.
Social media oftentimes is that you use social media to highlight your highlights of your life and, the things that are going well in your life. It's very few times that people go and put things that are not going well in their life.
Meyer says the best thing you can do if you find yourself in this situation is limit your screen time. If you're having a hard day already, maybe don't check Instagram or Facebook unless absolutely necessary. The same sentiment is shared by Kanan. She even suggests tweaking your notifications.
I think one of the first things is to notice, to be a little more conscious about it. And if you notice a certain site or certain post, there's probably ability to unfollow those things. So really taking care of ourselves and being a little more conscious.
And if you find yourself struggling, more often than not, seek help. Now, another thing you can do to help get through these tough times is talk to someone you trust and be sure to keep in touch with them. Now, if you are struggling and need help, we do have the suicide prevention number on your screen. That number is 800-273-8255.